What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know where to begin. But your girl got box braids, and I think it's long overdue to make a video. So what we're about to do is jump on into this video, and I've come along to actually love box braids, right? So this is probably like my third time having them. I went from micros, and then when I had my first daughter, I had them way bigger than this. And then I just did this myself last week. It took about 10 hours, 9 or 10 hours with breaks. And it was just crazy. But yes, you guys, I love this. Maybe I will do a tutorial. Well, not a tutorial because everybody knows how to braid, but I will do a video, like a time-lapsed video of me doing my hair so you guys can see. But I'm about to show y'all the styles that I have come to love while having these box braids, because I'm like, this is cute and I'm gonna be having these for a while. I really like it, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you guys in just a second. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to show you guys styles that I basically love wearing while I have my box braids in. So it's a couple of styles. I mean, it's your basic styles, but you know, y'all never seen me with box braids before. And of course, I did these box braids on my own. That's right, I did my box braids on my own, you guys. It took like 9 to 10 hours with breaks and everything. I feel like once I start braiding, and if you know, I've done your hair before. If you know me, you know, once I start, I do not stop. I don't take breaks, I don't sit, I don't eat, I don't do none of that. I get straight to it, I finish the hair, and we go on. And that's just what it is. So, I do that with myself as well. It's super hot in this bathroom. I am in Germany right now, you guys. Me and my man is in Germany. I got my babies here. We're in Germany, and you know, we're just posting, relaxing for the moment. And you guys, I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more. I'm gonna be doing so many more exciting things for my channel. I'm gonna reroute. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of things. I'm gonna do makeup, I'm gonna do beauty, I'm gonna do vlogging, I'm gonna do hair. It's hot. I'm literally gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. So I plan on doing mukbangs, you know, I plan on doing a whole bunch of stuff. But y'all, I got a couple secrets for y'all. I got a couple things to let y'all in on. So if you really want to know what's been going on in my life, because it's been, then just stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I will let you know when I'll be uploading. I'm gonna come up with a schedule, and I'm gonna get it right for you guys, because a lot of people's been looking for me. Y'all been watching, y'all been clocking, y'all got me on Snap, y'all be like, we need to come up with a video. You guys, I'm back, and I don't plan on going anywhere anytime soon. I'm so mad at myself, but you know, it's cool. We're gonna get into the video, and I'm about to show you guys right now, so just watch.